segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. I'm going to show you.
This collection of pictures I took at the 66th World Series of Drag Racing in Cordova, Illinois. So let's listen to 500 Miles cover song by our friend on YouTube, Stephen Hereford.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Lord, I'm three. Lord, I'm four. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this away. This away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can't go back home this away. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles.
And that's it for the pictures that I took. We started heading back to the grandstands, and they were playing the national anthem. Passed by a couple of trailers with t-shirts. This was the Modern Outlaw. And we bought a t-shirt from Keep the Bitch Floored. So come back for some races on part 2.